Hey everybody, I'm Chef Rick. It's peak season for summer corn, especially in the Northeast. And if you want to enjoy this sweet, candy, delicious corn all winter long, stick around. I'm going to show you how easy it is to preserve summer corn. Just crank your oven up as high as you can get it to go. 500 is good, 550. Take the corn just as it is. Don't do anything to it. Don't soak it, don't trim it, don't shuck it. Just like that. And load your oven with the corn. Make sure they're not overlapping each other. You'll see them just sitting right on top of each other. Ooh, it's a little hot in there. Look at that corn now. Just starting to get golden. Touch of green left. We're gonna pull it out, stack it up, and just let it cool down a bit till it's cool enough to handle, and let it finish steaming from within. All right, so we roasted our corn for about 20 minutes till it's just cooked like this. Now that it's cool enough to handle, watch how you shuck this. Do you know that every piece of corn silk is connected to one corn kernel? Weird but true. So, to make it less messy, look at that. Pull it back, pull them all back. Still a little steamy, but perfect. And we're gonna shuck them all. See that? Almost no corn silk because I didn't cut them. I let those pieces of corn silk stay connected until I'm ready to shuck it down. Grab them all off the top, boom. 90% of them are off. Now we're gonna cut it off the cob, and here's a tip. Don't be using a big old clunky chef knife or a sundual. Get the skinniest blade you can and get right down to it like this. Cut it off into the little chiclet pieces, which we love, the little cubes, and save your cobs. They make great stock, they make great infused cream. And you can also dry them out and add them to your smoking chips and smoke over them. Corn cobs are gold. And the thin blade knife, much less damage to the corn. There we are, 2 pounds of perfect dry roasted corn. Easy, and you'll have it all winter. Enjoy.